Hi class! Today we're going to be working on adding and subtracting. We're going to add a little bit of dancing to it, so I hope you're ready. Okay, so I've divided the room into 3 different sections. Over here we have the wavy section, over here we have the sharp section, and right here we have the charade section. So for each section you have to do a different dance. In the wavy section, you have to do a wavy dance. In the sharp section, you have to do a sharp dance. And in the charade section, you have to do a dance acting something out. For example, the lawnmower, or going to the grocery store. So when you're dancing around in each section, you're going to be moving and grooving, and you're going to do all kinds of different dance moves. You're going to be dancing while the music is playing, but as soon as it stops, you have to freeze in whatever position you're at. You can't move a muscle. Alright, and then after you're done dancing and everybody's frozen, I'm going to assign number values to each section. And after that, we're either going to add or subtract based on what you guys choose. Alright, so let's start. So you guys should all be dancing right now. You should either be doing wavy dances, sharp dances, or charade dances. I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still messed up, but I'll just start again. Alright, everybody freeze. Alright, you should all be frozen in a section of the room. Alright, so for this time, everybody in the sharp section is going to be worth 50 points. Everyone in the wavy section is going to be worth 10 points, and everyone in the charade section is going to be worth 100 points. So let's say we have 5 people in the 100 section. So we're going to write out 5 100s. And then we have 3 people in the 50 section. And we have 1 person in the charade section. Alright, so we have 5 100s, 3 50s, and 1 10. Okay, so now we're going to add them all up. Alright, so can anybody tell me what 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 is? That's right, it's 500. Can anybody tell me what 50 plus 50 plus 50 is? Right again, it's 150. And we don't have to add anything to the 10 since there's only 1 person. So it's just going to be 10. So then we have to take all of these big numbers and we have to add them together. Alright, so now we have 500 plus 150 plus 10. You guys can go ahead and write on a sheet of paper if you need to, and when you have the answer, put a thumb up. Alright, so the answer for this one is 660. Are you guys getting the hang of it? Alright guys, let's try another one. Everybody get ready to dance. Alright, remember if you're in the wavy section to mix it up. Go wavy high, wavy low. If you're in the sharp section, it's sharp side to side. And if you're in the charade section, make sure you're doing all kinds of different dances. Alright, are you guys ready? Ready? Freeze. Alright, so this time, let's try some addition and subtraction. The sharp people will be worth 5, and there's 2 of them. The wavy people will be worth 20, and there's 4 of them. And the charade people will be worth 10, and there's 3 of them. Alright, so how about we subtract the sharps, add the wavy, and subtract the charades. Alright, who can tell me what 5 minus 5 is? That's right, it's 0. Alright, now who can tell me what 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is? 80. And who can tell me what 10 minus 10 minus 10 equals? That equals negative 10. Alright, so now we have to add 0 plus 80 minus 10. Take a second to write on your papers if you need time to figure this out, and when you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Alright, does somebody have the answer? That's right, it's 70. Alright class, so we did a great job today. You guys worked on your addition and subtraction and your dance moves. So for today, your assignment is going to be on a worksheet that I'll hand out at the end of class. And is there any questions? Great. Alright, so you guys are going to get an exit slip that I'll hand out in just a minute. And once you're finished with that, why don't you grab a homework sheet and you guys can go home for the day. Thank you guys so much.